You ever tried stevia in the raw in your tea? I use it every single day, and I've been using it for years. I love the little packets because then I don't have to deal with the spoon and all of that. Now, stevia is zero free calories, it's gluten free and vegan, and it is a natural byproduct of stevia, which is a natural sweetener. And it does taste a little bit sweeter than sugar. And I prefer it over any type of artificial sweetening whatsoever. So, like, I carry it with me everywhere I go. But I use it in my oatmeal, um, my tea every day. I sometimes use it when I'm baking and I just need small quantities. It is sweeter than regular sugar, so you may have to get adjusted to that sweetness or use less stevia than you do sugar. It's just kind of like a little balancing act you'll have to kind of figure out on your own. I just basically have gotten used to the sweeter taste, and I just use a whole packet in my cup of tea every morning, and it just works fine. I also use it in my iced tea when I'm making fresh iced tea with hot water. I'll put a couple packets in my large pitcher and I'll have a nice tasting iced tea. I like this stevia really well, and that is just my honest opinion.